Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video we will learn how to set up 1 inch margins in Microsoft Word. So guys, you need to follow some easy steps. Firstly, in a Home tab, click on More, then click on Options, then click on Advanced. Now scroll down and left click in Show Measurements in Units of Inches. So select in this drop down list inches. In case it's a different like centimeters, millimeters, points, so select inches, then click on OK. Now in this layout tab, click on margins, custom margins, and give the number top, left, bottom, and right 1. So as your requirement, you can set inches 1, 2, 3 here. Then click on set as default, then click on OK. So like this guys, you can set 1 inch margins in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video work for you or not.